If you're trying to swap tokens in Trust Wallet but keep running into the root not available error, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you exactly why this error happens and more importantly, how to fix it so you can start swapping your TikTok tokens again. First things first, let's understand what the root not available error is. When you're using Trust Wallet to swap tokens, this error message usually appears when there's an issue with the liquidity pool or the root the app is trying to use to perform the swap. Simply put, it means Trust Wallet can't find a valid route to execute the transaction successfully. This can happen for several, like if the token you're trying to swap doesn't have enough liquidity, or if the token pair you selected isn't supported. Now to fix number 1 is try changing the token pair or using a different token. Some tokens just don't have liquidity, so swapping with a more popular token might fix the issue. Go to the swap screen in Trust Wallet, select the tokens you're trying to exchange and make sure both tokens are supported with active liquidity pools. Next step is to check your network. Trust Wallet supports multiple blockchains like Ethereum, Binance, Smart Chain and others. If you're trying to swap tokens on the wrong network, it may cause the error. And that's it. Hopefully one of these fixes will help you get past the root not available error in Trust Wallet so you can start swapping tokens again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.